In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude products from Shopify discounts and coupons effortlessly. So, whether you want to tailor your promotions or simply manage them more effectively, this is an essential skill for any Shopify store owner. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, what you want to do is navigate over to the left panel on your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll see an option labeled Discounts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the discounts and coupons you've created for your store. These can range from percentage discounts to fixed amount reductions, or even buy one, get one offers. Your task now is to identify and select the particular discount from which you'd like to exclude some products. Once you've selected the discount, you'll be taken to its editor mode. This is the central hub for making any changes to that particular discount. Now, it's time to focus on the Applies to section. You'll spot a drop-down menu here. Click on it and opt for Specific Products. This option is incredibly useful because it allows you to handpick which products should be affected by the discount, giving you greater control over your promotions. Now comes the critical part. Since you're aiming to exclude certain products from the discount, start by selecting all the products that you want the discount to apply to. You do this by choosing all the products in your store except the ones you intend to exclude. It might seem a bit counterintuitive at first, choosing everything else except the unwanted ones, but this is the most straightforward way to accomplish the task given the current functionalities within Shopify. After you've carefully made your selections, review them once more to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to double check, so you can be sure that the right products will get the discount and others won't. Once you're satisfied with your selections, simply look for the Save button. Go ahead and click on it to lock in your changes. And just like that, you're done. The selected discount will now exclude the products you've chosen, offering a more tailored shopping experience for your customers. Implementing this strategy can help you avoid applying promotions to products that either don't need discounting or where a promotion could potentially devalue the item. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial. I hope you found it both informative and easy to follow. Remember, mastering these small, yet important tasks in Shopify can significantly enhance the efficiency of managing your online store. Keep experimenting with more features in Shopify to leverage all available tools for maximizing your business potential. Until next time, take care and happy selling.